Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing this Imaginext Serpent Strike Pyramid. It's got serpent striking action. Just push the power pad. Look at the adventurer. He's got a cool diadem. It comes with a voice changer. Turn the power pad to open the Sphinx face. Push the power pad to strike intruders. Load lava into the obelisk and turn the power pad. Find the secret entrance behind the sarcophagus. Take the treasure from the scarab. This set includes 10 pieces. Collect and create your own treasure hunter adventure. Is this treasure hunter ready for his most thrilling challenge yet? He better be able to dodge lava and the fangs of one very speedy snake. Let's check it out. This set comes with a Snake King. Wow! I love his face. His arms move really well. And his legs move too. We also have a treasure hunter. He has a bandana on his head. He's also wearing a nice outfit for treasure hunting. This set has a couple different power pads. Here's one. Turn it and the face opens. Turn this power pad to activate the lava. Time to go inside and look for the treasure. Here's our voice-changing microphone. Danger, 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 danger. Here comes our treasure hunter. Where does he go from here? Wow, there's a secret door. In he goes. He can slide down the special ramp. We still haven't found the treasure. Gotta get across the bridge. Don't fall. Ooh, it's wobbly. Okay, climb up the ladder. Wow, the treasure! We got it! Hooray! It's time to escape again. Ooh, that looks dangerous. We better hurry. He cannot take my treasure. Ooh, watch out for the snakes. Lava! No, he got away. Yay! Let's go! Let's get out of here! I'm sorry, Snake Master! He took the treasure! Thank you guys for watching my video! Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.